Uniform removes its visible differences when everyone wears the same dress. So the message becomes clear. In this school, you are valued for your mind, not your money. At school times, you never feel poor in a classroom. Second point, discipline. Uniform creates discipline. When a student wears uniform, the mind changes. If you're at home in pajamas, sleeping, in school uniform, ready. It reminds them that they are here.
A pair of shoes, a tie, a belt, a sweater, and even a whole replacement set. All of this together becomes really expensive. My question to the forum is, can we really ignore this harsh reality? Now, starting off with my fourth point, I would like to talk about the fact that equality is just an illusion. My previous speaker stated that wearing the same uniform in school erases inequality because wherever you look, you will see students.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Respected in charges and the respected judges, the debaters, and my dear students. Assalamu alaikum and a very good afternoon to all of you. How are you all? Fine. Okay, so how did you enjoy? It's good. You enjoyed a lot, isn't it? At the outset, I express my heartfelt gratitude to Almighty Allah because He has enabled us to be assembled here in a very good health and a sound mind, isn't it?